Hi guys, Gabriele will explain about how to transfer store ownership from one account to another. So let's get started. The first thing is head over to your store and send in your account which you want to transfer on your other email. Once you do, you will see the same interface like me. Here you will see multiple options on the left side of your computer screen. From here, you have to tap on the option setting. Once you will get access to your account setting, here you will do few multiple things. Like you can get access to your general account setting, plan, billing, and users and permission. So from here, we have to select the option users and permissions. Once I will click on it, here you can see the option store owner. And just next to it, you can see the option transfer ownership. It's my account by which I created my Shopify and I want to transfer the store to my another email address. So in order to transfer, click on the option transfer ownership. And here you can see, let the new store owner accept your invitation. You'll be removed from the store. So basically, when the next person will accept this invitation, I will be removed from the store because that will be the new owner of my store. So make sure it, and then here, enter the email address. So this person, I will enter this email address. Here, enter the first name and last name. You can also see the password by clicking on the option show, then that password will be shown. And on the last, tap on the option transfer store ownership. When you will click on the option transfer store ownership, then an invitation will be sent to that person. And after accepting that, you will be automatically removed because he will be the new owner of the store and he can manage each and everything of the store. And that's it.